Right now, I'm holding some USDT, but that part really isn't important. It could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, pretty much any supported asset. The goal stays the same, or converting it into native XRP. If you've been around crypto for a while, you've probably bumped into this at least once. You open a wallet, head over to swap section, search for XRP, and it either isn't there or wallet simply can't build the transaction. You refresh it, switch networks, try another token, still no luck. Turned out it's just how these wallets work. MetaMask is built around EVM chains. XRP lives on the XRP Ledger. Trust Wallet supports a lot more networks, but that still doesn't guarantee every asset can be converted directly into native XRP from inside the wallet. That's where things usually start getting messy. One transfer leads to another, then you're opening a different platform, and before long, what should have been a quick swap turns into a whole process. That's why I switched to doing it this way. Before I show everything, one quick favor. Watch the video all the way through. There are a couple of small things I'll point out during the process that can save you from making an easy mistake later. So I started comparing different options. I checked how they handled different blockchains, looked at how the swaps were processed, read through a bunch of technical information, and even used AI to speed up the research. This platform kept checking all the boxes because it removed most of the unnecessary steps. I could use crypto I already had, complete the swap, and receive native XRP directly in my wallet. Since then, I've used it with different assets across multiple networks, and it's been reliable every single time I've needed it. That's why it's become part of my regular workflow instead of something I only use once in a while. Okay, first I'll choose crypto I'm swapping from. You'll see plenty of other supported coins. That's one of the things I like about this bridge. It accepts assets from multiple networks, so I don't have to make another conversion before starting actual swap into XRP. Then I'll enter the amount. You'll notice XRP estimate updates right away. I like seeing that immediately because I know roughly what I'm going to receive before I confirm anything. And if you look a little lower on the page, there's also a live pricing section. I check it every now and then if I want a quick overview of the market without opening another website. It's a small feature, but it's nice having everything in one place. All right, next I'll connect my wallet. Everything's ready. Now I'll click swap. Before the transaction is submitted, platform shows complete summary. This is the screen I always slow down for. I quickly check the token, amount, destination wallet, and network. Takes maybe 5 seconds, but it's a habit that's worth keeping. And there it is. That didn't take long. XRP already shown up in my wallet. Exactly what I was expecting. No extra platforms, no bouncing assets between different wallets, no unnecessary detours, just one swap from start to finish. And that's really the biggest advantage. So hopefully seeing the entire process like this makes it a little easier to understand. Once you know why some wallets struggle with direct XRP swaps, it becomes pretty clear why using a service like this saves both time and unnecessary hassle. If anything comes to mind while you're watching, leave a comment below. Whether it's about a different network, another wallet, or a specific token, I'll do my best to point you in the right direction.